Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing video for you, and I am going to be unboxing items that I purchased from the Disney Store, Disney Parks website, and I'm really excited to share it with you. I've been receiving Mickey monthlies every month, and it's lots of fun to receive things from the Disney parks, and it's always a surprise and you don't know what you're getting. But this time I kind of just wanted to know what I was getting. I wanted to pick out things that I really have been admiring on the site and really wanted for quite some time now, and they were having a phenomenal sale. I only typically shop from like the sale section of the website, and then I had a 20% off coupon for using my Disney Visa, so I made out pretty well. And I also am going to be sharing with you at the end my new Dooney and Bourke, which was actually supposed to have been a Christmas gift for my husband. So I guess I'll go into more of a rant about it at the end of this video when I show it to you. But we had some issues with purchasing this specific Dooney and Bourke item from the Disney Park website. But I finally have it and I'm really excited to share it with you. Look at how big this box is. And I honestly did not order that much stuff. Like, I don't even know what could possibly be in here that is so darn big, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what is all in here. And I just have to say, I think like I partly do these videos just so I have an excuse to wear my Minnie Mouse ears, because people look at me weird when I like wear them to the grocery store and stuff. I don't get it. But I feel like, you know, I feel safe wearing the ears whenever I do a Disney related video here on YouTube, so. Just had to let you guys know. I love wearing the ears. This is the perfect time to wear them. I love the tissue paper that they put in their boxes. I still can't believe how big this box is. Like, I seriously did not get anything this big. I'll show you guys the inside of the box quickly if I can lift up this monstrosity. I always have this really pretty tissue paper. You can see it has like random Disney characters, and it's this really pretty periwinkle blue color, which is like one of my favorite colors. So this box is mostly this stuff, this bubble wrap stuff. Had some great promos going on too, so I was able to add in some bonus items at a discounted rate. If you spent a certain amount, you can get like some other stuff that I'll show you at the end. My first item is this really cute Disney shirt. It just says Walt Disney World. And I just think it's really cute. It's this nice gray color. It's 3/4 sleeves. It's like this baseball tee. And I love how they have these, the letters like embroidered on here. And the date is in the little Mickey ears. And I just think it's really cute. I like it a lot. I think I'll wear it definitely often. I think it's exactly what I was expecting. And again, all of this stuff was like super cheap. More of this bubble wrap. This is crazy. I have another cute t-shirt here, updating my spring wardrobe with some Disney gear. True love is a blast. This is really cute. It's Mickey and Minnie, and it's this really pale shade of pink, and it just says true love is a blast. And it's a really cute t-shirt. I'm excited to wear it. Look at how Minnie's like giving Mickey a big kiss on the cheek. This is so adorable. I really love the cute t-shirts and things that they have on the Disney Park site. And then my daughter actually picked out this baby turtle from Moana. She really wanted him. He's really cute. Just a cute little turtle plushie. I think he's adorable. Their stuffed animals are so soft. They're really, really nicely made. I think this is really cute. I purchased an Alex and Ani bracelet. This is the second one that I have, and I only purchased it because it was really, really inexpensive. It was marked down to about $15, and then I had my 20% off discount. And I know I have mentioned on previous videos, I really would love to someday be a part of the Disney Vacation Club, and this is the Disney Vacation Club 25th anniversary Alex and Ani. And it just has Mickey, and it has 25 years on it. And I just thought it was really cute. Hopefully I'll be able to be a part of that someday. But in any event, I just wanted to grab the bracelet because it was so inexpensive. I would wear it regardless, and I like things that are kind of like collectibles. So since this is the 25th anniversary Alex and Ani, I just thought it would be nice to have. Okay, and then I also purchased this stationery set, and it's the Animators collection. And I love the Animators collection. I love like the vintage look to this. And let me just open it up to show you guys. Here is the front, and it just has this silver emblem that just says the Animators collection, and it's magnetic. And then when you open it up, this is really cute. So you have a couple of gel pens on this side, and then you have all of your note paper here in the front. And it has the little mermaid on it. And then on this side, you have all of these really cute sticky notes, a to-do list, these little mini sticky note little tabs. And yeah, I just think this is really, really cute. I love this. And I love the color of it. And again, and look at how cute all of the characters are on here. Very, very nicely done. So now are some of the promotional items that they had that you could add to your order at a major discounted rate. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It's like a little, I shouldn't say little, it's like a big beach bag cooler. It's insulated and it looks like a lemon. And it has all these little Mickey heads on it. It's really cute. Look at how big this is. You could actually fit a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, it's all like insulated. So you could pack like a picnic in here or some drinks and bring it to the beach. And it's just this big yellow lemon. I think it's a lot of fun. It's really, really super cute. I'm excited to use it this summer. And then one of their other promotional items was a Mickey beach towel. I love having Mickey beach towels, and I especially love this one because it's like the circular type of a beach towel. And it's really, really big. So you can see the Mickey head on this side. I flip it over to this side, it's the Minnie head, and you can see she's wearing like a little hat with a flower. Really cute. And again, this is one of those big circular beach towels. So I'm really excited to have this as well for the summer. I feel like I'm like ready to kick off the spring and summer months. I have my cooler, my beach towel. I have a couple of cute t-shirts to start off the season. And now I get to show you guys my new Dooney and Bourke that I'm so excited about. And let me just quickly tell you the backstory. I really wanted this 45th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom Dooney and Bourke. I love the pattern on it, and I asked for it for Christmas, and my husband ordered it. They confirmed the order. They said that it would be shipping, you know, whatever, such and such date, and then he got a notification that it was out of stock after they said he had it. So this was around Thanksgiving time. So once he got that notification a couple of weeks later, he processed the order again. Again, they confirmed the order and said it was on its way. And then like a week before Christmas, they sent him another notification that it was out of stock and not coming. And it was very frustrating because they went through the whole confirmation process, not once, but twice. So he told me about it on Christmas. He said he really wanted to give it to me, but he just didn't know how to get it. So I made a phone call. They couldn't help me. They basically said, even though it's on the site and it shows up available, and they confirm that you're getting it, and they give you a ship date, it could likely never come to you. And I was really frustrated. And I actually had a pretty serious conversation with the woman who I was speaking with, just saying how unfair that is to customers to give them that false sense that they're receiving something, and then, you know, a couple of weeks later just be like, oh well, sorry, we don't have it. And the next day it was taken down from the site and marked sold out. So I'm glad that they actually did that rather than giving people a false sense of hope. So anyway, I found it on eBay and got it within 3 days, and it was actually a lot less expensive than it was on the Disney Park site. So I haven't even used it yet. I just took it out of the box, and here it is. It's so pretty. I love the blue pattern on this, and you can just see it says the Magic Kingdom. Again, this is the 45th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom. And then on the other side, you can see it just has all different little scenes from the Magic Kingdom, the castle and Mickey, It's a Small World, the Haunted Mansion, Dumbo, the castle, the Tiki Room. So I just really, really love this. The Magic Kingdom is my favorite park. Blue is my favorite color, and I'm currently really loving these Dooney and Bourke purses. Really like this because it's easy to bring to the parks. Like if myself and my husband are just going out to dinner or something at the Disney parks, this is all I need. It perfectly fits my phone in here. You can see the inside. It has like a compartment on this side that I could slip my phone into, then a zipper compartment for putting money, and then there's just like these other little slots in here. So very, very nicely done. I am really, really happy with this. And yay, I finally got it. Now I just have to go back to Disney so that I can use it in the Disney parks. So I'm really excited about finally receiving this little wristlet clutch that I have been wanting for a very long time. I'm glad that I got to share it with you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. And if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And please go ahead and follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram. And I hope that you guys all have a great week. Take care. Bye.